to show you how to walk on water. See? Water.
Further, come on. You can do it.
See? All you have to do is balance your chakra. See?
Further. Come on.
Water.
Oh my gosh.
And Alex just threw a rock, and it just...
Come on, just further. It's okay.
Yeah, that's an example. But see, the rock doesn't have any chakra. So what you have to do is balance your
Come on, go further. I'll test it for you.
You see, you guys have to balance your chakra. Let all the chakra flow into your feet, and then you can walk on water.
And no tricks,
Here,
too.
Get it close into my feet. Look. Walking on water. See? No big deal.
Okay.
You could go on YouTube, and you can master this. Or the guy that's recording will record me, and I'll show you how to do more tricks.
and all you do is